Well, if you were just with me on the last video, you would have seen that I just replaced that 4-hour timer because the old one was sticky. Now I've got something else to do, and I always leave the crummy things till the last. Here's what I'm talking about. This sink is dripping, and I know this handle's not even in the right position, by the way. It's supposed to be like this. And it's dripping, drip, 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 drip. And I believe it's the hot water side. And somebody's messed with it before because this handle should be out this way. They were trying to think, oh, maybe I can do it differently and get it to shut off. Nah. There's a cartridge inside of there that I'm going to have to try to replace. And look at this toilet. The toilet, I've got to mess with this thing too. I'm trying to decide which one to do first. But either way, I've got to do them. You're on here. It's loose. And I've looked at that down there and it's broken. The seal on there, look at this. I can slide this toilet back and forth. I have no idea how that happened. And so I'm going to be taking this toilet off if I can turn the water off. Sometimes the valves give me fits on turning them off because they're 10 years old. If I can't turn that valve off all the way, I may not be able to fix this toilet today. Okay, but it's a one-piece toilet, very difficult to do. I think I've shown you before that I've done some other videos, and if you've been watching my channel, you will see how to reset a toilet such as this. But hey, I've got my video camera here. Every job is slightly different, so I'm going to do a video of that too. But I think I'm going to tackle this sink faucet first. This is an American Standard sink faucet. I really like this faucet. I really don't want to have to replace this entire faucet. This one was very expensive. To get new faucets nowadays, you could spend anywhere from $135 to maybe $200. And it's a real hassle to take all this stuff off and work underneath and all that kind of stuff. If I can fix this by changing out the cartridge, I will. It's just lots of times this handle right here has a tendency to want to stick and break the little stud of the screw off of the top of the cartridge because it's 10 years old. So you want to see me tackle that, stick around. That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.